Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my TED Talk. The title of my TED Talk is Journey and Confidence. We all have fears, some are small, like the fear of public speaking, while others are larger, like the fear of failure or rejection. But the truth is, fear can be a powerful obstacle to achieving our dreams and living our lives to the fullest. Today, I want to talk about how we can overcome fears and build confidence through action. It's not about pretending fear doesn't exist, but rather about choosing to act despite it. Think about it. What are the things you've always wanted to do? The goals you've dreamed of achieving but fears has held you back. Maybe it's starting that business, asking for a promotion, or simply speaking of your mind. The key is to take that first step. It doesn't have to be a giant leap. It can be a small, manageable action, for example. If you're afraid of public speaking, start by speaking up in a small group. If you're afraid of starting a business, being by researching and planning. As we take action, we start to challenge our fears and gain a sense of accomplishment. Each small victory builds a confidence and encourages us to take on even bigger challenges. Fear, it's powerful emotion that can paralyze us, holding us back from reaching our full potential. But what if I told you that fears doesn't have you control? What if I told you that you can overcome fear and build confidence through action? It's not about pretending fear doesn't exist, it's about choosing to act despite it. Think about the things you've always wanted to do, the goals that have been swirling around in your head, but fear as if you from pursuing, maybe starting that business, asking for that promotion, or even just putting yourself out there are making new friends. Here's the things: confidence is built through action, not through wishful thinking. It's about facing your fears head and taking calculated risks and learning from your experiences. You can capable of so much more than you think. Don't let fear dictate your life. Embrace action, conquer your fears, and build the confidence you deserve. Remember, confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build through action. It's about embracing the unknown, pushing your boundaries, and learning from your experiences. So I encourage you to take the first step. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace in action. Conquer your fears and build